Ever wondered how to work with text in Python? Strings are how Python handles text. They're just a sequence of characters enclosed in quotes. You can create strings using single or double quotes. Just stay consistent. Single underscore quotes equal sign Python is fun. Double underscore quotes equal sign Python is powerful. Python makes it easy to manipulate strings. Let's look at slicing and concatenation. In Python, string slicing allows you to extract a portion of a string using the syntax. Text equal sign, hello world, print text 0, 5. This will get the first 5 characters of the string. String concatenation means joining 2 or more strings together. In Python, you can concatenate strings using the plus operator. Join method. You can concatenate strings using the plus operator. Full underscore name equal sign first, underscore name plus last underscore name note. Using plus for large string concatenations inside loops is inefficient. Use join instead. The join function in Python is used to concatenate, join multiple strings in an iterable, like a list, tuple, or set, into a single string using a specified separator. Syntax, separator, join iterable. Separator, the string that will be placed between the elements. Iterable, a sequence of strings, for example, list, tuple, to be joined. Syntax, separator, join iterable separator, the string that will be placed between the elements. Iterable, a sequence of strings, for example, list, tuple, to be joined. Words equal sign, hello, world, Python. Result equal sign, join words, hash joins with a space. Print result, hash output, hello world Python. Python has powerful string methods like upper dot lower and replace to make your life easier. The strip function in Python removes leading and trailing whitespace from a string. It's useful when cleaning user input or processing text data. Text equal sign, Python is awesome. Print text.strip. The lower function in Python converts all uppercase letters in a string to lowercase. It's useful for case-insensitive comparisons, text processing, and normalization. Print text, lower, print text, replace, awesome, amazing, hash output. Python is amazing. F-strings, formatted string literals, were introduced in Python 3.6 to make string formatting more readable, concise, and efficient. They allow embedding variables, expressions, and even function calls directly inside a string. Name equal sign, Alice. Age equal sign 25. Printf name is age years old. Hash output, Alice is 25 years old. Ready to level up your Python skills? Like, share and subscribe for more coding tutorials.